Dala pala ako.
Ito rin yung sasabihin niya.
Oo.
Guys, so girls, ano yung nawala? Live is high or stop?
Stop lang. Meron.
Here's how it goes. You and me
Ayusin ko muna yung mukha ko.
up and down, but
Yeah.
maybe this time we'll get it right. Worth the fight. 'Cause love is something you can't shake. When it breaks, all it takes is some trying. If you feel like leaving, I'm not gonna beg you to stay. But soon you'll be finding you can run, you can hide, but you can't escape. You can run, you can hide, but you can't escape. Guys, ito yung order ng tatawagin ko mamaya for the modeling. Just line up na lang so that it doesn't get, kapag tinawag ko si Miguel, si
Why
Lizelle
do we
yung
take this?
Hindi.
Ano nga yung model natin?
Tatawagin ko kayo. Head script writer, Lizelle. Model ka. Tapos balik ka ulit. Music ka rin.
Sana kahit may isang acapella.
Okay ko ba yung mukha ko?
Guys, kahit may isang acapella.
Bulok.
We need to keep it lively because of the weather. Magandang gabi mga kapamilya! Isang gabi na punong-puno ng awitan at kasiyahan ang aming handog para sa inyo. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the musical sounds of the Acadremians, living in full expression.
Bla 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 bla. Magandang gabi mga kapamilya sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo. You're watching
Wait lang, Chris. I'll cut you. Sorry. Wait lang. Guys,
Living in full
cut music muna. Let's prepare the spiel. Let's practice the spiels para alam natin, more or less.
Here's the thing that we were asking.
Van, diyan ka. Okay, ready, set, go. Magandang gabi mga kapamilya. Isang gabi na punong-puno ng awitan at kasiyahan ang aming handog para sa inyo. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the musical sounds of the Acadremians, living in full expression. Number, blah, 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 blah. After that, Chris.
Magandang gabi mga kapamilya sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo. You're watching Acadremians concert Living in Full Expression. Kung saan napapanood tayo live na live ng ating mga kapamilya sa National School for the Differently Abled. Recently, we were asked to put up a show para makalikaw ng halaga na ibibigay sa ating mga pamilyang may kapansanan. Kung paano kayo makakatulong, yan ang wala.
Yan ang
Kung
aming.
paano kayo makakatulong, yan ang aming ipapaliwanag sa inyo maya-maya lamang.
Before we proceed to the show proper, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our very important guests. Sila ang mga taong kumikilatis ng mga freshest talents sa music industry. At sila ang mga taong responsable sa pagpaproduce ng mga hit songs na nadidinig ninyo sa radyo. Ladies and gentlemen, some of the best record producers in the country.
Mr. Deogracius C. of Star Records, Miss Mary Grace Angestiat of Warner Music Philippines, Miss Kathleen Chen of Universal Records, Mr. Timothy Oychinko of EMI Philippines, and Miss Leia Devara of Viva Records.
Nais din namin i-acknowledge ang presence ng mga kapamilya natin who are responsible for making breakthrough advertising campaigns dito sa Pilipinas. Ang brains behind the biggest advertising agencies in the Philippines. Let us give a round of applause to
Mr. Louis Flores, Creative Director of A. Sachi and Sachi.
Sachi.
Sachi?
Yeah,
Mr. Louis Flores, Creative Director of A. Sachi and Sachi. Mr. Andy Galang, Creative Director of Dentsu and Rubicon. Ms. Shandy Asuncion, Creative Director of BBDO, Herrero Ortega. Mr. Gabriel David, Assistant Brand Manager of J. Walter Thompson, and Ms. Charmaine Herrero.
Charmaine Guevara.
Mata ko, my God. Ms. Charmaine Guevara of
Ogilvy and Mather.
Ogilvy and Mather.
Bonjour.
Yeah, Ogilvy and Mather.
Ogilvy and Mather.
Maraming salamat po sa pagdalo sa aming mini concert
Sana po ay ma-enjoy ninyo ang bawat performance na aming pinaghirapan. Tinanggal ko, ayoko.
These next three performers got the highest grades among the class noong nakaraang trio performances. Please welcome Bogoy, Van, and Sen.
Ha? Di ba wala na yun?
Maraming salamat po. That was Tearing Up My Heart by INSYNC.
It was the very first time that anyone has gotten a perfect score of 10, and this song gave us that score we had been working hard for. Wala na.
At ang susunod.
Sunod naman nating performance ay nakakuha din ng magagandang komento dahil sa kanilang mga sexy and fun performance.
Bakit, ma?
Palakpakan po natin sina Lisel, Luis, and Van.
Ang galing ng business.
Okay, and then Bonnie.
Maraming salamat po. Ang Living in Life Expression Maraming salamat po. Ang Living in Full Expression ay naglalayong matulungan ng mga kapamilya nating may kapansanan na tulad namin ay gustong umawit at gumawa ng sarili nilang musika. Ang National School for the Differently Abled ay libreng nagpapaaral ng mga elementary and high school students. Marami sa kanila ang interesado sa music. Marami sa kanila ang mahusay kumanta, tumugtog ng mga musical instruments. Pero malapit na pong magsara ang paaralan na ito dahil sa kakulangan ng pondo.
Okay lang yan.
Ang lahat ng perang malilikom sa concert na ito will be donated to the National School for the Differently Abled.
Chris, paano nga ba makakatulong ang ating kapamilyang nanonood?
Wow, with such
Madali lang yan,
enthusiasm.
Lizelle. They may send cash, check, or pwede din i-kind. Maaari nilang i-deposit ang cash and check donation sa video account 563-080101-6456. Or, maaari nilang ipadala ang mga donations sa National School for the Differently Abled sa number 11 Magat, Salamat Street, Quezon City.
Salamat, Chris and Bonnie. Ipagpatuloy natin ang show with one of our favorite... No, mali. Pagpatuloy natin ang show... Ano sunod ko dun?
Let us welcome Miguel.
Tapos welcome Miguel.
Oh, welcome.
Welcome, Miguel.
Welcome.
Everybody,
Should I start?
No.
Oh, shit. And then?
No, everybody, let's give a round of
I still
let's
say
give a
that.
round of applause once again for
Once again, let's give a round of applause for Bunny, Lizelle, and Chris.
pangarap ko na
Talaga? Pangarap ko na makapag-perform
Guys,
habang
quiet.
tumutugtog ng keyboards.
Only had 4 hours.
Keyboards. Doble ang excitement ko kasi matagal ko na binubulungan ng taong katabi ko para makasama ko sa isang duet. Kaya, huwag na natin patagalin, Lizelle. Let's
Oh,
sing
yeah.
this.
Yan, see?
This night.
So sing, blah, 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 blah.
Sing.
After that, Lizelle,
Kilala siyang baliw dyan.
ang next
Ang next
performer.
performer natin ay... Teka lang. Ang next performer natin ay nadinig na natin kumanta ng pop, rock, and classical. Isa sa magagandang boses sa Academy. Please welcome La Arnie Luzala.
Lizala.
Sing.